Here's the first adventure of the world tour today. Move this Kubota for a buddy. Just strolling into work here. A little walk. Yeah, left you with an Irish goodbye the other day, didn't I? So we're pushing. We got septic coming Monday. It's Friday. Got to get this rip wrapped, get all this finished up, which it should have been a 2-day job. Wish it would have been if we didn't have to prep this. So I don't know if I showed you pulling my machine from here yesterday. Well, it rained yesterday. Had to move that machine for my buddy. Hammer hauled loads to the other job. Thank you, Hammer, for doing that. That helped a ton for a backfill job. He's calling me, texting me. And then had to go dig for liquid savings waste. So I had to pick that up yesterday to locate a septic tank. Got septic coming Monday. Got to backfill this house. Everyone's everything done right now. Ooh. It was a wet spring, that's why, I guess. You know, the pressure, you know what pressure does? Builds diamonds. You know what diamonds are? They're hard, tough. Tough men wasn't built the easy way. That's right. Get this edge all pulled up, prepped up. I actually was looking at it. My wife is always complaining about not being able to see getting out of the driveway. I think I'm gonna rip wrap my hill too. That's the problem. That's the thing. And excavators, like I got my pond project and other things, my stuff never gets done. How it goes. So yeah, with that being said, I'll say that. Sounds good, but it'll never happen. I can never take the time to do my own stuff. That's when you know you got a true passion for it. Like if I always say, if I hit the lottery, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call my rep up and I'm gonna order a new excavator, a loader, a new dozer, and I'm just gonna buy properties and build ponds and do stuff like that because I just love doing it. It's all the hustle bustle back and forth moving the equipment that what wears you out. Trying to keep everybody happy. Get this right all swooped around, make it look all nice and flowing. Hope he isn't too partial to these branches because they gotta go. I'm gonna have to ask him. I'm not gonna scratch my machine up. Hell, I already smashed the side of it in. Well, I called, like I was saying before, I got septic Tuesday, so I called the lady. She said, I ain't got you on the schedule for Tuesday. I said, yeah, I got right here 9/9. No, I don't. I already got everything lined up. I said, okay. Well, then we found a date. It's gonna be Thursday. And then we're good with that. And I said, okay, I need 210 of ATL. Oh, I don't have ATL, I'm out. I'm like, well, what good is tanks without whatever? So I've been shuffling around making calls, and I called a local warehouse, and I actually got 2 septic fields, enough for 2 of them on there. Oh, man. Sometimes the thing with the septics, man, you know what I mean, you got a hard date when them tanks are coming. You can't really You can't just stop and get on. Go, I want it tomorrow. I mean, they're like a month out. She said the next one was like in October. So, I mean, you got to run, you got to do everything around whatever, you know what I mean? That's the pain. That's why I hate doing the septics, because you're on a time thing. That's the same with concrete. You're up against the clock. I hate that. I hate that feeling. Well, let's go ask him about these branches. Doesn't really matter what he says, because if he doesn't want to cut them, then we're not doing riprap. You go either way. Hammer's here. Just pull it in and park it up there for now. Get them sides out, Carleato. See what this crusher run's made out of. I know what it's made out. It's made of gravel, duh. That's good. That's crusher run? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, Jesus, look at them teeth on that son of a gun. He just wants to kill me. I don't like them Dobermans. They're not right. Daddy, I want to grow up and be like you someday. That tapered in there real nice. That's gonna look it's gonna look bitchy. I learned it from watching you. You guys on here a little older, comment, let me know where that's from. I learned it from you. Just doing dozer stuff. I tell you, this mini here is an absolute workhorse. It's impressed me every dang way. It's a powerhouse. It's been running through my mind like, I should see what a 306 cost. I'm crazy, I'm stupid. Never stops. Keep working till your bones are coming through your skin. Like I always say, I get comfortable, get a little bit of cash in the bank. You know what I want to do? Spend it. What's the matter with me? What's the matter with us? We're all the same dang way. I can't ever have a cushion, be comfortable. I guess I'd rather look out in the yard and see a piece of yellow iron out there than a good number on the bank account. I tell myself that every year, don't do it, and I always do it. I can already tell that pipe's too high. You see what the boys are doing. What do you think, Carleato? Yeah, we're going to. Get that dirt out here, get it ready so we can glue it, prep it. You want a coney? He's got a tape worm, he'll eat it. Free cheese conies?
Free cheese conies.
Free cheese conies, that's a funny story.
Okay, well, Alan, free cheese coney?
Free cheese coney. I have to have my buddy Bastard on here and tell you about that. There's a guy who works with it. Pipe fitter's 392, Phil, and he talks with a lisp. And he went through the drive-thru at Skyline Chili. He's, I want free cheese conies. And they're like, sorry, sir, we're not running that special with free cheese conies. She thought I mean free, like it's free promotion. He said, no, I want free cheese conies. She said, sir, we're not doing that special right now with free cheese conies. He said, no, free. And Bastard said he was like red and spitting and just couldn't get it out. And the guy was sitting beside him truck. He said, just order effing 4 cheese conies, Phil. This went on for like 5 minutes. Funny story. I'll get Bastard on here to tell it. Him and his free cheese conies. And pipe fitters, man, they're ruthless. Daddy about to bang these chains. Bang, bang, bang. Chain bangers for life. That's funny, the whole chain banging the chains came from when Job was working for me, when we were doing a septic, we were talking about bagging them straight razors and chains, and we started talking about bagging the chains. None of that footage ever made because I still got it all. I actually might, I'm slow this winter, put some of that up, but you guys never even seen that footage. Never even know where bagging the chains come from. Daddy about to do work. Give Daddy the bike. That's another funny story. You guys got it? They're banging it, ain't they?
Yeah.
Carleato. Cole, you don't want to just be average, you want to be extraordinary. Right?
Yep.
Cole!
What?
Daddy the bike, you got to do some work. You guys are wondering, I wanted that pile there. I wanted to stall the truck out. Got too cocky, didn't I? Look at that pile of gravel. What idiot did that, Cole?
I don't know.
What you do? These kids these days. I'll take you guys to the dump with us. My buddy Chaz just called, said I could dump down his place, which that's cool. It's a little bit further down and that would have been a good option. What do you think, Cole?
I don't know.
See, right here. Can't get much better than that, can ya? Tell you, he's getting his money's worth with these loads. For sure. Now we're getting this trench clawed in. You getting it?
Yeah.
To go home?
Yeah, going.
How'd this lay in there? Real nice. Look at this. Plumber professional.
Yeah.
You know what you gotta know about plumbing, Cole?
He said payday's Friday and what shit runs downhill.
Yep. Let's dry. Here's into day, what the hell is this? Day 4. Everything's prepped, got our pipe in. Everything looks like kind of crap, but it's all gonna come together. Ain't it, Cole? It all come together. It either will or it won't. This looks a lot better. Yeah, look at that. That looks real good. Picture of riprap. Definitely turned out to be a lot more than I expected. Well, I guess this had it. We'd have been out here for one for that. So, like always, thanks for the journey. Thanks for the support. Thanks for doing what you do. Definitely comment. That's all I really care. Just comment. Fuck it. Do a like too. We're family. That's what family do. We like each other. Right, Cole? Carleato?
Yep.
Till the next one. Definitely got hammer full load on that one. Look at that. Customer got his money's worth on that. That's all that matters. Let's hope we don't see the DOT. We made it back. No DOT. Down here by the interstate, they always set, but hammer confirmed. He said that was the heaviest load he's ever hauled. Hey, you're not breaking the rules, you know. They're meant to be broken. And this, you're always out just a little bit outside of the law. If you're running a truck or anything like that, there's always something. There they go, two amigos.